Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Ann. It's been a while that I'm not been to Boulevard having eating balut or um, street food like shomai. So today let's go have a walk and grab something to eat in Boulevard. Let's go. Wearing shoes. Let's see. Okay, it's locked and let's go. And yes guys, when I arrive exactly at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, just the time I arrive in the flat here, and it's like pouring rain, so I suddenly put cover with body, and look at that, it's all wet, but it's just like few minutes raining guys, if you guys can see. So it's like pouring rain, but it's just in a few minutes, and look at that body. So anyway, I just leave body in here. I just wanted to go walk in the boulevard and grab something to eat, snacks. So yeah, let's go. Let's go walk. And look at that guys, time check, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon after raining, and look at the sunset. Oh my god, so bright. And they have a new small fast food here. So good timing guys, because I wanted to eat snacks. I just leave body in the flat so that I should have time to walk also, not just always riding body. Anyway, this is just very close to my flat, the boulevard. Look at that guys. So it's getting busy in that area there, because that's a chicken and a balut, street foods there. It's called hub sa Dipolog. It means different kinds of street foods. If you want to come in the Philippines, you should try also the balut guys. So let's go and eat balut.
Pwede na kayo ibot ako.
Wala pa na iya? Already na na. Initon sa. So this is the pork shomai. They steam first, and then I put chili, calamansi, and the soy sauce. So there we go guys, this is the pork shomai. So that is spicy vinegar, that's for balut. So I ordered 2 pieces of balut, 16 days balut. It's pretty yummy, a little bit cheek inside, but now I just eat the pork siomai. Spicy, but I like it. I like spicy food anyway. See? See how a lot of chili I put on it, but it tastes yummy. So yeah, let's eat, guys. This is just my snacks after long way drive way to mama. So yum yum. See how a lot of chili I put on it. As usual, I have to mute the background, guys, because I heard music. And there you go, the balut served very hot. They put water, so that's the salt, and yeah, the vinegar. When you eat balut, guys, you have to put a little bit salt on it, and then the spicy vinegar. That's perfect when you eat balut. You know, bad side of this balut, if you had high blood pressure, you don't maybe you eat one only, but too much eating balut, it's not good for high blood pressure. Okay, and good thing also of this balut, some Filipinos said that it's a kind of aphrodisiac. I don't know, guys, that's what they said, but I don't know. Yeah, people said it's a kind of, but I don't know. You guys observe that as you're Filipina, if what's the effect of when you eat too much balut. Yeah, guys, and this is my second. Yeah, there's a soup on it, guys. If you sip on it, it tastes nice, and especially when you put a little bit salt and spicy vinegar. Yeah, not all of Filipina eating balut, but for me, I like this. But sometimes I eat balut, not just like maybe once a month, or you know. People said it's good when you eat balut like once a week, something like that. But for me, it's been rare I eat balut. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'm very sorry for those who not eating balut. Maybe you feel yuck of this exotic street food. We Filipina, we love it. It's really nice. So yes, guys, and yeah, just chillax in the boulevard after I eat this balut, you know, like yeah, sometimes if I miss to eat balut or walk around boulevard, I just go here during day off after visiting mom. And yes, it is, guys. After I eat, I just sit down here. It's cool breeze air and no sunset today because we had a bad weather. Yes, and the sunset goes down, and I feel like cold because my hair is still wet, and I feel like cold with the air. So, but it's pretty nice here. So yes, guys, and I am heading to my flat now because I feel like cold. So that's it for today's short video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up in my video, subscribe to my channel, and click notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Squid squad. Ano na yan? Squid? Calamares. Mobile food cart is selling calamares. I want ice cream. I feel like cold, but would be nice to eat cornetto. Ilang cornetto, te?
Ano sa budget? 35.
35.
35.
Kanina lang.
Sa akin eh?
Sharon ice cream.